Hi guys, so in this video ay babalikan natin itong review natin sa dating project na ito, which is yung Landrocker, no guys. At nakita natin kasi yung slow and steady growth na pag-angat na itong token nila guys. At papalapit na rin matapos yung kanilang pre-selling stage, no. So guys, kung di pa kayo nakasama, pwede pa kayo sumabol, no. At tingnan natin guys, no. So this is the next generation of play to earn gaming at meron silang sustainable economy. Sabi nila dito na hindi lang siya pang pump and dump lamang, kundi pang matagalan kung saan mabe-benefit yung mga long-term holders, and that's what we want pagdating sa mga crypto projects, is yung hindi yung pump and dump na saglitan lang. What we want guys is for people to hold their bags and have diamond hands, no, at they are capitalizing on that, no. So LRT nga pala yung tawag sa kanilang token. It is a bit play to earn inflation. So this is a kind of game wherein you can multiply your revenue guys, at meron silang play to earn inflation model kung saan guys tumataas consistently yung value ng kanilang token, at ginagawa nila yan with the help of their marketing. Ngayon guys, marami silang media buying na ginagawa, na-feature sila sa napakaraming website, at kung sino-sinong YouTube channel ang nag-feature na neto katulad natin, kasi nakikita natin yung future neto is magiging maganda, no? So dito tayo nag-feature dito guys sa ating YouTube ng mga pump and dump na nag-feature tayo dito guys sa mga legit na project na merong malaking marketing budget, na meron para magkaroon sila ng maraming marketing campaign para ma-ensure yung steady growth nila. So right now, masyado pa maaga, at seed round nila ngayon guys is pang round 5 na, no? Although pang 5 na to, masyado pa rin maaga guys, kasi right now is pre-selling stage pa rin, no? So yung pre-selling stage guys is the earliest time you can get into kapag isa kang retail investor. Siyempre kapag venture capital ka or seed capital, syempre mas maaga yung mga yon. Pero those are corporations. Pero if you are a retail investor katulad ko, pre-selling stage yun yung pinamaga na you can get into, kasi right now pasimula pa lang yung trend nitong Landrocker. Not a lot of people have know it yet. Hindi pa siya na-feature sa KMGS or anything, no? Pero slowly and surely it is getting traction, at pataas na ng pataas yung USDT na na-raise nila. Right now, it's about $1.947 at 10,000 na lang yung kulang para mapuno at patapos na yung seed round na ito, no? So 1.750 na yung completed, 1.947 na siya. Talagang malapit na siya guys matapos. Sa round 5, ang return niya is 100% guys. So imagine if you get it at the first round, no, which is yung price niya is 0.0089, ang listing niya is magiging 0.001. So that's already a return of 100%, no? So pre-selling stage pa lang yon. How much more if you hold it and if the value keeps on going? Kasi right now Bitcoin tumataas palalo with the help of different factors na and market condition necessary para umangat yung Bitcoin, at alam naman natin with the halving mas lalo pa siyang aangat. So this also can benefit from that, dahil kapag tumaas ang value ng Bitcoin, lahat ng altcoin apektado, no? So ayan guys, 10 days 22 hours, pero feeling ko hindi na aabot dyan kasi 10,000 USD na lang yung kulang para maabot niya yung limit niya na available nila for the pre-selling. Kasi syempre nag-alat sila ng marketing tokenomics dyan na available only for pre-selling, at 1.957 nga yung inalat nila doon. Okay, so this time guys, paano ba bumili? Okay, explain ko lang sa inyo na mabilisan lang kasi marami pa tayong i-dive na feature dito. So basically, nandito ka tayo sa website nila, at make sure guys na ito yung website na meron kayo, kasi baka mamaya may mga phishing website dyan na hindi talaga legit na website. One thing to make sure na yun yung official website is kapag check yung social medias nila, Twitter, Telegram, kung yun ba talaga, or pwede nyo rin naman guys i-click na lang sa akin description box o sa pin comment para nyo yung kailangan i-verify, i-click nyo na lang doon. Okay, diretso na kayo, andito na agad. Okay, so this platform is available also on Polygon Network. So doon talaga siya naka-base, no? So you can buy using USDT, USDC, Matic, or DAI. Pero kung wala pa kayong crypto, pwede naman simula sa card muna. Okay, pero that is not yet available as of now. Siguro in-update nila. Pero basically, you enter the amount of how much you want to buy. For example, 100 USDT worth of coin, and it will convert how much LRT is it equivalent to. So right now, it's about this amount. So napakarami kasi mura-mura pa. Napakamura pa ng value ng token nila. Kaya mong bumili ng maraming token. Imagine mo parang bumili ng Bitcoin, nung halaga ng Bitcoin zeros mga 1 cents pa lang, di ba? Yun guys, para bumili, i-click nyo lang yung LRT, pero make sure na meron kayong enough na USDT or equivalent ng token na gusto nyo bilhin dun sa wallet nyo. For example, USDT, make sure nyo na meron kayong USDT dito sa MetaMask wallet nyo. So ilagay nyo na yung password. Kung kailangan pa ng sign, i-sign nyo pa, and then yep, mabilis lang yung process na yun. I already tried this, mabilis lang yung process na yun at napaka-simple lang. So basically, that's it. Okay, so ito nga ba kung bakit dapat nating ibahin itong LRT. So ito yung mga main marketing points sila guys, yung 100x potential, no? Already nga kapag bumili ka na nga 100x potential na nga siya guys 100% if bumili ka na nung 0.00889. How much more if nag-increase pa siya? So maybe it can increase more sa 1000%, okay? So magla-launch kasi siya at 1.5 million market cap, no? Tapos yung mga similar competitors niya is at 30 million to 150 million range. So kapag naabot pa niya yon, we're talking about more percentage ng potential increase, okay? So consistent shot at mega rewards, meron silang mga hunting campaign na nagbibigay ng mga prizes in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and much more, no? So meron silang airdrop giveaway, napaka-generous na pagdating sa community, okay? Reward safeguard on blockchain, okay? They are vastly secured and audited, okay? No more decrease in revenue. So meron silang AI algorithm na nagbabalance ng P2E at P2 resources, no, na nagpe-prevent ng inflation. Dahil alam naman natin syempre yung economy dapat healthy for people to consistently use the platform, no? People should have a way to earn na sustainable, okay? So ano ba yung main gameplay nila? So right now light game pa lang yung available nila, pero yung pro game is coming soon. At sa marketplace, ito naman guys yung mga iba't ibang items na binebenta nila dito, which is itong mga robots na to na tinatawag nila mga land rocker na nagmamine for sure, no? So bukod dyan sa mga rover na pwede nyo bilhin, andito rin yung mga materials. Syempre kailangan nyo ng mga materials, ayan, na pwede nyo bilhin with the LRT token kapag nakuha nyo na fuel that is necessary para gumana yung mga rover nyo at yung planet na pagmiminahan, okay? So yan, meron din silang equivalent na fuel cost, okay? At malalaman nyo yung susunod kapag talagang dive in nyo pa yung specific ng mga product na to. So yung economy naman neto is napaka-simple lang. Yung marketplace is binubuo ng tatlo, ng play to earn user, ng play to P2W user, at ng investor, okay? So yung play to earn user, siya yung merong rover, siya yung merong fuel, siya yung merong mine, at nakakakuha siya ng materials na nagka-craft siya dun sa mga planet at rover, at syempre binibenta nyo yung namamine niya dun sa marketplace at nag-earn siya nitong land rocker token nila. Kung investor ka naman guys, syempre ikaw yung may-ari na planet, nag-i-stake ka, tapos ini-stake mo yun, nag-3 to 10 times yung ano mo, kasi per annum meron silang increase yung staking mo okay? So, kung P2W user ka, parang same lang din, okay? Yung swap nila guys, para hindi tayo mahirapan, ginagawa na lang nila sa mismong website nila. So pwede mo siguro i-swap yung token nila mismo into USDT without the use of the centralized exchanges, but with the same platform na yung website nila. So guys, official partners sila ng Immutable, so mag-guarantee natin na maganda yung game na magagawa nila. Kasi guys, ito lang naman yung mga game na nagawa ng Immutable guys, yung Gods Unchained, Metalcore, Shardy Bound, Wagmi, Monduguro, at magaganda yung mga game na yan guys, talagang malaki at magaganda yung quality. So we can assure na maganda rin yung game na to paglabas. So, sa inventory naman guys, may nyo dito yung storage, kung how much yung LMNT, yung LRT, yung fuel, at yung NFT na meron kayo. At also, you can invite friends, no? So, ayan. Siguro, hindi ko na ilalagay yung website. Gamitin nyo lang guys yung ating invite link as way nyo na lang para makatulong din sa akin kung makatulong man itong product na sa inyo. Syempre, dahil ako yung nagsabi sa inyo, no? So, may potential to, no? So, lalagay ko lang yung code nyan sa pin comment natin at yung invite link, okay? Tapos, yun guys, add LRT to wallet. Pwede nyo na automatically i-connect pag kinlik nyo yan. So, kapag nag-invest kayo, yan, napakadali lang. At yung play game guys, pwede nyo siya subukan. Okay, yung achievement naman, meron silang mga achievement dito guys para meron kayong mga task na kayang gawin, no? At yun, for example, like this tweet, comment on this tweet, at makaka-receive na kayo ng mga LRT at rover na ganyan, no? So, this is a good news, especially sa mga free-to-play users, no? Gagawin mo lang yung mga task na to at magkakaroon ka ng mga iba't ibang prizes. Just not by spending anything, pero gagawin mo lang itong mga to. Tapos naman guys, play the game, okay? So yan, play nyo lang yung game na to kung gusto nyo gawin. Tapos yung buy LRT, proceed again to this time, no? Dito, punta lang kayo dito. Pwede nyo rin guys basahin yung kanilang white paper para ma-read more pa kung ano nga ba itong product na ito at yung mga specific niya yung gameplay, okay? At di na natin yan isa-isain pa kasi magtatagal pa tayo lalo. Pero yung KYC guys, KYC audited siya. Ayan, may checkmark, check natin. Verify natin kung totoo. At ayan, na-verify siya dito sa Coinsalt. It's also a very trusted platform. So ayan, no issues naman siya, okay? Low risk lang siya. So everything has a risk naman, pero as much as possible, we need to prevent it. So this time is a low risk platform, no? So maraming salamat guys sa panonood nyo. See you soon sa ating next videos. Hopefully may natutunan kayo. At kung gusto nyo, syempre, huwag nyo kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe. And for the last time, I'm gonna remind you guys na crypto is a very speculative asset. So only invest na the amount of money you can afford to lose. Kasi we never know. Sometimes we hit the fortune and got to the moon, but sometimes it doesn't. So to prevent you from going bankrupt, syempre, only invest the amount of money you're willing to lose. Okay. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood nyo. See you soon.